Are there any specific software programs you use here?
We primarily use SolidWorks for our design work. It offers a wide range of tools and features that help us ensure accuracy in our designs.
SolidWorks is familiar to us. In the fabrication stage, do you employ any cutting-edge techniques for creating the machine parts?
Absolutely. Our fabrication processes involve CNC machining, laser cutting, and even 3D printing for certain components.
Oh, sounds like magic.
These technologies help us achieve the precise specifications required for our machines.
I guess we're quite confident in our skills. Could you show us the level of automation in the assembly phase?
Sure. Please, follow me.